Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the mecha prime on the TFT or the teamfight tactics. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open your right client and of course open your TFT. Of course, if you don't have the right client downloaded, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're using. Once you open it up, you will have to go and type download right client. Once it's downloaded, install it and open it up. Of course, once it's open, you will normally find yourself with a home screen or main screen like that with the games that you have installed here in your PC. Of course, if you don't have Teamfight Tactics installed, you'll have to go down here and install it from here. Of course, you'll be able to install it on your Android phone, your iPhone phone, and even a League of Legends in your PC. Once it's installed, you'll be able to go and open it up and wherever you have it. And of course, just go and find the game. For me, I already found the game here, and I'm already on a game. So I will show you how to actually remove a prime on this game. So the first thing that we'd like to do is just look for some primes first. So let's just keep rolling until, yeah, here is our first prime. Let's just look for other primes, and once we will have that, I'm coming back to you after I found it so we don't waste time. So here we are. We have here like some primes. I'm already having a prime in. So let's just wait for this round until it ends to show you how to actually remove the mecha prime. So here, let's just remove, no, let this in, remove this, and remove this. And let's just get set, and let's just get the Draven as well. So as you can see, they give us this prime selector. So of course, when we select, as an example now set, this set is going to be our prime. So simply, if you would like to remove it from set and give it to another person, just go and select this prime selector and give it to another one. That's how you remove the prime. Of course, you have the option of removing your primes from the board, and that will remove the prime or make a prime totally from your board, and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.